Mystique the Beast. You see? Hold on, let me get back. Let me get back so you can get a full view of her. Yeah, Mystique the Beast. Okay, what we got on her tonight is Sperpentine belt, AC belt. Gonna do a quick tutorial on that one and get her going. You dig what I'm talking about? So, hold on, let me get my little, what's the name? Oh yeah. Can't forget about the white ghost. You dig? You see her. You see her. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Alright. First we're gonna start off by moving the air, the air intake. The air intake nozzle. It's a little tab on there. Fortunately, I don't have the clamps in mine. The truck came like that when we bought it. So see? Just slightly pull it from the snout. Sit it to the side. So I give you a little bit more access. You might want to move this, but I'm gonna see if I can work around it. But all right, y'all. This is the belt right here up under this hose. You're gonna take your breaker bar or whatever you got, and it takes a T60. Yeah, it takes a T60 star bit. You're gonna come in here, you're gonna turn it clockwise. And that way it'll free the belt. Alright. Alright. You gotta remove this 10mm nut off this. This is the, I think the power steering line. You remove that, and you can take the belt and come from around with it. Unfortunately, it wasn't as simple as I thought it was going to be. I ain't never changed the belt on this, so you gotta take this top pulley off. Alright, that's the pulley. The top tensional pulley. You gotta remove that. This one and this one. See that one? And this one. You get down and get them two off, pull that bracket off, then you can release the belt. Alright, y'all. You see right there, I had to take that loose in order to get the belt out. Once you come out with that, you just gotta fish the belt through. And that's it. So you gotta remove them two The two 10mm screws right there, where that bracket is hanging out at. You gotta remove the tensioner. You gotta remove the tensioner. And then you gotta fish the belt out. So I'm finna jack the car up, get up under here so we can get over here and do the AC belt. In order to get the AC belt off, period, you gotta remove the main drive belt. So let me set that up, see what I gotta do, and I'll bring y'all along. Stay tuned. Hello world. We're trying to get that screw right there. That's the tensioner screw right there. If you see it next to that cord, try to zoom in on it. Right there. That's the tensioner screw. And it's difficult to get to. So I ain't gonna be able to show y'all that, but I'm gonna bust it open and I'm gonna show y'all me taking the belt off. Be right back. We back. Now look, this shit took hella fire, pain, and time. Real talk. Like, it's a hard ass job for no simple reason. But I got that motherfucker loose. Cause you know who I'm. Bavarian Motor Works. You dig? That's who I am. But anyway, getting back to the subject and the goddamn thing to talk about. I got that mother loose. So let me set it up while I pull it out, baby. So what I had to do, I took a pry bar, pried the hose back, that line that's in the way. When you get under there, you will see what I'm talking about. I had to pry that line back, man. There's a line up under there, I think for the power steering, it's for it's some type of line. So I pried it back and got that T40 up in there, snugged it real good, and gently broke her free. And when it broke free, I gently kept going, and she came loose. So, real talk, you would have to, what you call that? Unloosen both of the, you will have to release both of them. Both bolts. There's two T40 bolts on here. I'm sorry. Shit. Yeah, it's two T40 bolts on here. You will have to release both of them. So you could get this one up here real good. And then the one on the bottom, you just gotta get up in there and make it happen. So, and that's the AC belt. Yep. So those are both Sperpentine belts. The AC belt, the whole drive belt. And we got the part already over. Same belt, same brand. Made in Germany, product information, all that and everything. Put it through that little slot down there. And get it up on the back part, on the back one of the whole crank. The front part right here, put it in the back. And you're gonna wind it up, you're gonna get it up over that tensioner and around its pulley. As you see, I got the belt on. Come on, socket, right? As you see. But in the midst of that though, I discovered something else. I was wondering why I was saying oil level sensor is malfunctioning. So I purchased a new oil level sensor. This is the old, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm trying to say and make out is that nothing was never wrong with it or the new one. I discovered this while I was down there trying to fish around. The wire don't cut, and these two is about to cut. So I'm finna rewire them, tape them off, and fish it back. And now we'll have oil level sensors. And when we in the car, we can tap the iDrive and check the oil instead of me doing it manually right here. You feel what I'm saying? So let me get these clipped and wired up good, and I'll be right back. Got it all wired back up, taped off. You know what I'm saying? That should do her some justice. Alright, I'm finna try to fish this down through here and finish the rest with putting this serpentine belt on. Alright, I got the AC belt on, the oil line rewired, fished it back, plugged it up, put the cover on. So now we finna put the belt back, the serpentine belt back. Alright, tensioner. Put the tensioner back. Belt goes around the crank. All right. All right. We'll be right back. We back. Everything back together, sound sealed, delivered. The belt, intake, the air intake, all of that is back together.